Hey guys, we're back in the garage working on the 1932 Aston Martin LM8 CycleKart. Got everything pretty well done and ready to be taken apart, so that's what we're going to do now. Well, we started this build back in, right after Huntsville in 2021. That was in May. So we started this project kind of planning it, getting it orchestrated, ordering parts in May and June. Started building the frame in July and worked on it all through the rest of the summer and into the fall. So about 6 months right now of effort on this. And so now we're ready to take it all apart and get it all ready for paint. So the first thing is to get all the body panels off, strip it all down to the bare frame, and we'll paint the frame first and start assembling mechanicals, and then work on all the body panels independently and separately. I'm going to paint each piece separately from the car and paint each of the rivets and then reassemble it on the car. These panels are really hard to paint on the car or not get runs in them because I'm using spray cans. If you paint with regular automotive paint, then you can assemble it and paint it probably just exactly like it is, but I'm doing something a little bit differently on that. So let's get started. Okay, so I know that went pretty quick on the hyperlapse, but that was about 20 minutes roughly. Get all those body panels off and get it stripped down to the frame. Of course, the floor's still in it, but that's not a big deal. Got a few little things I'm going to do, and then we'll continue on. All right, good progress. So I got it all taken apart and laying out here on the driveway. My son used a drone to get a little bit of an aerial shot of this. So it's kind of cool to see all the parts all kind of blown apart, almost like you're building a kit. So it came apart pretty quick, maybe an hour total work. I still have to take the floor out, but that's not a big deal. So there's all the bits and pieces. Side panels, the front valance, front suspension bits, tie rods. There's the headlight mount. You can view that. When it was on the car, it's a little hard to see. Hey guys, so that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. next step on this will be to get this thing painted. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully these videos are instructional and helpful to you in your CycleKart journey. Find us on Facebook, CycleKarts North America, and the Arizona CycleKart Club. Again, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.